So one of the things I wanted to do was talk a little bit longer trend. El Nino, La Nina, El Nino neutral. What's going on? So we're going to be looking at the blues. On this chart, the blues are La Nina. So last year in the winter, we ended up with a La Nina year, and it was a very dry and a little warmer than average winter, but mostly it was just so dry. This summer we actually carried a La Nina through, but luckily the monsoon saved us. So going into the winter months, these are broken up by 3-month stretches. That's how the La Nina, El Nino outlook goes. So October, November, December, January, February, this is kind of the end of it, the end of the winter, February, March, April. We are forecasting La Nina conditions to be the primary driver. So what does that mean? Well, this winter could end up being another dry winter. Remember, last time we didn't get an accumulating snow in the springs until December 31st. It was the latest first snow we've ever had on record as far as an accumulation goes. A typical La Nina pattern into the Colorado involves on the Front Range below or much below normal precipitation, so rain or snow. You can get a little bit better snow coverage over some of the northwest corridor of the state. The jet stream generally moves a little farther north, so that's where the energy tends to fall. But one thing that's a little concerning in La Nina, so you got to remember the Colorado River is fed starting out near Rocky Mountain National Park, Grand Lake, but then it flows through the Gunnison Basin, and that's where a lot of extra water flows. That's where the rain or snow can be a little less than normal. So it may not be another good year for the Colorado River, snow melting into the river, which again impacts our neighbors to the west that rely on that river. So today, we'll go back to what's happening now. Cloudy and cool weather coming our way. Isolated storms are in the forecast. We are going to see warming trends through this weekend. Stronger winds over Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and fire danger may return, especially to the grassy areas. Today, we're forecasting a high of 79 in the Springs, 87 in Pueblo, possibly close to 90 out by La Junta Lamar. But the thing is, it won't be super long lasting. We will eventually try to find a little bit of cooler air. It just may not really come back to us till the middle of next week. Today, we could see some isolated storms generally north of the city. Palmer Lake, Black Forest, Monument, that's kind of the better area to get some rain. But if we did in the city, it would try to be north of Woodman Road on the north end of town before a windier and warmer weekend. Pueblo, dry today. I think that we are going to get hot this weekend. 90s are hot, especially for mid to late September. Is going to be windy as well, so some grass fire danger could become a little bit more of a talking point for us. Canyon City, it does look like we'll be dry today. 80s with wind comes through this weekend. We do look at Wednesday having a chance of storms. Woodland Park could see a storm today. That definitely could happen close to the lunch hour, and then 70s with warm air through the weekend.